In this video, I'll show you how to install the ENB graphics mod to improve lighting, visual effects, and overall rendering quality in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the essential pack and select vendor and select open with vendor. Close tab here, right click on the game and select open file location. For installing any mod, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, drag and drop all these files inside a game folder, replace the file the destination, and then go back, open this beautification project, drag and drop all these files inside a game folder, replace the file the destination, and now find this 14,000 KB, right click show more options, send it to desktop, create shortcut, launch through this shortcut. I will show you guys before and after graphics comparison. You can easily compare this graphics. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.